Hi, it's Julian here from NBS Australia. I'm going to show you how to associate your Uniclass specification to your VectorWorks model. And the first step to do that is to come up here to the Window tab, come all the way down to the bottom here to Web Palettes, and then click on NBS Chorus. So that's opened up. Now, if I go here and type in VectorWorks, this is my pre-prepared project, click into that one. And the first step here is to associate the full specification to the model space. So I'll do that with the three dots. Associate with model, associate now. You can see that's been successful by the little tick in the cube. From there, I'll go into the actual model, into the actual specification, sorry. And now I can associate a Uniclass system from the specification to a class in the model. So I'm going to do a door. So first I'm going to click on the door. Click on the door. You can see now that the three dots have appeared, so that means I can associate to that particular element. So what I'm going to do is click on the three dots, associate with model, associate now. Yep. And then you can see that again, that's successful with the same logo that's popped up. From here, I can label this information. So if I go to the data tag here, using a wall curtain data tag from the preset package, so I need to go change the settings first. So I go up here, and then if I go into the edit function, let's drag that up, edit tag layout, and now we're in the edit tags screen interface. So I'll just pin that away for now. And you click on the text in the middle of the tag here, and then come down to define tag field. And in here, I need to clear that off. Drop this tab down and go to record format. And now I've got the NBS course properties to choose from. So what I would like for this one is, oh, excuse me, this one. I need code, so add to definition. I need, I'll put a space there. I need the title, and then add to definition. And I would like the suffix, so I'll select the suffix as well. Put a little space, add to definition, click OK. Just drop that one up again. Exit tag layout edit, and let's just see how that went. If I go tag, okay, that's worked quite well. So now you can see that we've got the system code, the system title, and the suffix, which is related to your specification. So you can see that there with Door Assembly Systems AWS, and then the system code at the end. And in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule that information in a Door and Windows schedule. Okay, thank you.